Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a question and answer session by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on December 3rd, 2020 in Sridham, Mayapur, India.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. When our authority misunderstands us, how to deal with that devotee so we don't lose relation? Please show some light on it, dear Guru Maharaj. Your servant Dilip, Bangalore.
Yesterday I sent a video out.
Yesterday I sent a video out.
What if you're treated bad?
What if you are treated bad?
So have you seen that video?
So have you seen that video? Yesterday Guru Maharaj had sent a video on Jayapataka Swami app. That video, okay, he's showing thumbs up, Guru Maharaj.
So I mean, authorities are always very pleased that you offer to do some seva.
The authorities, they are always very pleased if you offer to do some seva.
Normally, people don't ask, do you have some service for me?
Normally, people don't ask, do you have some service for me?
So, you say, you can offer your apology if there's any misunderstanding.
So, you can offer your apologies if there is any misunderstanding.
And I don't know if it's possible to explain the situation.
I don't know whether it is possible to explain the situation.
But anyway, if you offer, if we ask him, he did some seva,
Anyway, if you ask him, give me some seva,
then I think the problem will be solved.
then I think the problem will be solved.
And then when the opportunity comes, you can explain it.
If there is any opportunity comes, then you can explain this to him.
That it's simply intended to serve Krishna or something.
That you simply intend to serve Krishna or something.
I don't know.
Okay.
I misunderstood it.
I don't know how you are being misunderstood.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Next. Hare Krishna, dear Gurudeva. Please accept my respectful obeisances. Thank you very much for the Nectarian class. It was a revelation to hear the Shivashtakam as recited by Lord Chaitanya. But we don't seem to recite in our temples, nor do we celebrate Shivaratri in our temples, highlighting this. Please correct me if I am wrong, Guru Maharaj, and enlighten us. Your fallen daughter, Jayarasheshwari Mataji, Jayarasheshwari Dasi.
Here in Mayapur, we celebrate the Shivaratri
Here in Mayapur, we celebrate the Shivaratri
at the Jagannath temple.
at the Jagannath temple.
And I pray to Lord Shiva every day,
I pray to Lord Shiva every day,
since he's the protector of the Holy Dham of Navadvip.
since he is the protector of the holy Dham of Navadvip.
Without his mercy, we can't enter into Navadvip Dham.
Without his mercy, we can't enter into Navadvip Dham.
But I don't think that temples around ISKCON sufficiently understand the glories of Lord Shiva.
But I don't think that the temples that are in ISKCON sufficiently understand the glories of Lord Shiva.
the aspect that he, of course, he's not equal with Krishna.
Of course, he is not equal to Krishna.
That thing is emphasized.
That thing is emphasized.
But that he's the greatest devotee is also there in the 12th canto of Bhagavatam.
That thing that he is the greatest devotee is also there in the 12th canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam.
So that would be a nice thing of devotees to understand that.
So that would be a nice thing that if the devotees understand that.
And one of the four Vaishnava paramparas is started by Lord Shiva.
And one of the four Vaishnava paramparas is started by Lord Shiva.
Brahma, Lakshmi, Shiva, and four Kumars.
Brahma, Lakshmi, Shiva and the four Kumaras.
Bengali.
হরে কৃষ্ণ দণ্ডবোধ প্রণাম গুরু মহারাজ। গুরু মহারাজ, কোনো বৈষ্ণবদের মধ্যে দ্বন্দ্ব সৃষ্টি হলে সিনিয়র ভক্তদের কি করা কর্তব্য তাদেরকে মিলিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য আমায় আশীর্বাদ করুন যেন আমি বৈষ্ণব অপরাধ থেকে মুক্ত হতে পারি। আপনার পারমার্থিক পুত্র অরুণকান্তি গৌরাঙ্গ দাস।
I'm thinking that to be a manager, one should learn how to counsel and resolve disputes.
To be a manager, one should learn how to console and resolve disputes.
How to
Counsel,
and
resolve disputes. Yes.
So, in a nutshell, a secret is to have each person see the thing from the other point of view.
So in nutshell, the secret is to have the other person to see from the other's point of view.
And this way they can understand the solution themselves.
So in this way they can understand the solution themselves.
So thank you, Arunkanti Gaga, for your question.
So thank you Arunkanti Gauranga for your question.
I'm going to show the picture.
This question is from Facebook, Guru.
Huh?
Facebook.
From Facebook.
Charani?
Yeah, yeah, Zoom.
Gurudev, if any of our relatives leave their body, for how many days we should observe and not touch the altar? As I am not initiated, so how many days should I observe and how many days should an initiated disciple observe? Please kindly enlighten me, Gurudev, your insignificant daughter Kayarani.
Also, it depends. Like a sannyasi doesn't have to go through this.
Also, it depends. A sannyasi doesn't have to go through this.
Days of Asuchi.
The days of Asuchi.
And I think that for Vaishnavas, generally it's 11 days.
I think that for Vaishnavas, generally it is for 11 days.
But if there's no one else to do the worship, and it's an emergency,
But if there is no one to do the worship and it is an emergency,
then emergency knows no rules.
so then emergency knows no rules.
It's like a mother, she has to take care of her baby.
So just like a mother who's used to take care of her baby,
Not that leave the baby to fast for 11 days.
she will not leave the baby to fast for 11 days.
So, if no one else do the worship,
So if no one else is there to do the worship,
then we have to do it
then we have to do it
in a home temple.
in our home temple.
In the the community temple,
In the community temple,
there may be different rules.
there may be different rules. Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, whoever remembers me comes back to me. So it is already predestined. In people's karma that at time of death, a certain individual may remember Krishna and go back to Godhead. Is it a personal choice or free will? All glories to you, Gurudev, for your unconditional mercy, Krishna and Samyak.
And that's why we chant Hare Krishna all our life,
So that's why we chant Hare Krishna all our life,
so that we can remember Krishna
so that we can remember Krishna
at the time of death.
at the time of death.
We heard that remembering Krishna, serving Krishna, going back to Krishna is not a matter of karma.
So we heard that remembering Krishna, serving Krishna, going back to Krishna is not a matter of karma.
It's a matter of our bhakti and free will.
It is the matter of our bhakti and free will.
If someone thinks that at the time of death, if they're not practicing about Krishna,
So
at the time of death,
if someone thinks that at the time of death one cannot practice thinking about Krishna,
if they're not practiced thinking about Krishna,
if they are not practiced thinking about Krishna,
and they think anything, who knows?
they may think anything. Who knows?
Oh no, who feed my dog?
Oh no, who will feed my dog?
Oh my cat, she has to have her milk.
So, oh my cat, she have to have her milk.
So just like karma.
So that's karma.
So we should practice remembering Krishna, and naturally at the time of death,
So we should practice remembering Krishna, and so naturally at the time of death, when we have done some sinful acts before we come into Krishna consciousness, whenever we come across someone showing that act and showing our mistake, how to take it? But now I am in great movement, doing all services and doing my regular sadhana and following all your instruction and in the association of devotees. Please help me how to face these incidents and become stronger in my sadhana. Shama Hari Srivasa Das, Krishna Katha Des, Srinivasa Das, Krishna Katha Des.
Lord Chaitanya said that no one should hold Jagai Madai.
Lord Chaitanya said that no one should hope Jagai Madai
Responsible for the sinful acts they performed previously.
No one should hold Jagai Madai for the no one should hold Jagai Madai responsible for the sinful acts that they have performed previously.
They shouldn't judge them on that.
They shouldn't judge them based on that.
Because now that they have accepted devotional service,
Because now they have accepted devotional service,
they become very dear to Krishna.
they had become very dear to Krishna.
So, whatever we did before,
So whatever we did before,
when we take a decision, that gets naturally forgiven.
when we take initiation, that get naturally forgiven.
Also, they be forgiven by other practices like circumambulating tulsi or
Also,
Ekadasi or
Also, it get forgiven by practicing other activities like circumambulating Tulasi, observing Ekadasis,
for some month,
Purushot-
other month,
observing Purushottam month, Damodar month,
and Bhishma Panchak.
and Bhishma Panchak. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Dandavat Pranams. We understand from the Bhagavatam that when Brahma created Rudra, he found his descendants dangerous and asked him to do penance. We also hear Rudra was initiating a sampradaya. This looks contradictory, requesting you to please enlighten us. Thank you, Guru Maharaj. Your insignificant servant, Lalitangi Radha Devidasi.
And see Lord Shiva in the Guna avatar
So we see Lord Shiva as a Guna avatar
of the mode of ignorance.
of the mode of ignorance.
And naturally, in that aspect, he can be, he can do things unusual.
So naturally, in that aspect, he can do things unusual.
At the same time, we know that his overriding quality is devotion for Hari.
At the same time, we can see his overriding quality of devotion to Hari.
And in this pastime we read, they got the lotus feet of Lord Krishna.
In this pastime, we read, he begged at the lotus feet of Lord Krishna
For a place to stay,
for a place to stay,
for forgiveness.
for forgiveness.
Lord Krishna was pleased with him.
So Krishna was pleased with him
Gave him a place to stay
and gave him a place to stay
in the Srikshetra
in the Sri Kshetra
and Bhubaneswar,
in Bhubaneswar,
which is part of the
which is the part of Sri Kshetra. Okay. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances. I have a question related to chanting mala, japa mala. Some time back at a program while chanting time, I didn't have my mala and I was chanting on a counter, clicking. Then someone handed me a japa mala from one of the many malas kept there for devotees to chant. Then I accepted it. Someone else told me, no, you being initiated should not chant on any mala used by other people. Is it really so? Can't we chant on any japa mala in situation where we don't have our own? Kindly bless me to develop taste in chanting and chant more. Your spiritual daughter, Lakshmi Radha Devi Dasi.
Well, it would be nice if you always had your japa.
So, well, it will be nice if you always have your japa mala.
I never heard particularly that we can't chant on other malas.
I never heard particularly that we can't chant on other malas.
We know that, of course, if someone chants on other mala, they may leave some offense there.
Of course, we know that if someone chants on others' mala, they may leave some offense there.
That's why we chant the Panchatattva mantra.
That's why we
First.
chant the Panchatattva mantra
And then we chant Hare Krishna.
and then we chant the Hare Krishna.
So that shouldn't be a problem.
So that shouldn't be a problem.
Anyway, I don't need chanting there. In the temple, it's not nice to use a counter.
So in the temple, it's not nice to use a counter.
I allow disciples to use it when they're driving on the motorway or in some morning walk or something.
I allow my disciples, those who are driving on a motor vehicle or those who are doing some morning walk or something.
But in the temple they should use the beads.
But in the temple they should use the beads. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, please accept my respectful obeisances onto your lotus feet. The question, how can we take care of the devotees? We see that some devotees come for a time and after they run away. This is very frustrating. Please help me to understand the proper care of the devotees. Your insignificant aspiring disciple, Bhakta Brian from Bogota, base.
That's why I still Prabhupada said that to make a devotee, it takes buckets of blood.
That's why Srila Prabhupada said, to make a devotee, it takes buckets of blood.
You can think, what could you have done to make the devotee more at home in Krishna consciousness?
You can think what you could have done to make the devotee feel at home in Krishna consciousness.
Feel at home.
Feel at home.
And maybe we could be more caring, more loving, more friendly.
Maybe we could be more caring, more loving, more friendly.
So that even if they run away,
So even if they run away,
they'll have good remembrance.
they will have good remembrance.
And later on they may come back.
And maybe they can come back later.
When they realize that in the material world, no friends.
That when they realize in this material world there is no friends. There are no friends. Okay, next. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj, Dandavats Pranam. Please accept my most respectful obeisances onto your divine lotus feet. Question. If some temple there is no president live in the temple, there are temple council member managing. So that area, some devotee, they are not following deity worship standard, not following rules and regulations. How can we cooperate with them? Your fallen disciple Guru Dayal Das.
I don't understand the relationship of not having a temple president and a temple council.
I don't understand the relationship between not having a temple president and the temple council.
And then some devotee who doesn't follow,
And then some devotee who doesn't follow the rules and regulations of deity worship.
and he basically follow.
And he basically considered to be fallen.
We should try to encourage that devotee.
So we should try to encourage the devotee.
We should not take his association, give our association.
We should not take his association, but we should give our association.
And try to help him to be more enthusiastic.
And try to help him to be more enthusiastic.
What else do we do?
What else can we do?
Uh,
Okay. Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj. Will be knowingly or unknowingly doing Vaishnava Aparata to control that what we want to do at the time of Guru Maharaj, at that time. Guru Maharaj, please guide me. Vaikunta Vijaya Mataji.
how you you think good about Vaishnava, about Krishna,
So in Kali Yuga, to think good about a Vaishnava, about Krishna,
if you mentally do some act of charity or donation or
if you mentally do
social service,
some act of charity, donation or devotional service,
you get the benefit.
you will get the benefit.
And then if you think about some bad thing but don't do it,
If you think about some bad thing and if you don't do it,
you don't get the result.
you will not get the result.
So that's the advantage of Kali Yuga.
So that is the advantage of Kali Yuga. Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Please accept my respectful obeisances. Lord Shiva as Kshetra Palaka is also applicable for all ISKCON temples. Your spiritual daughter Shanta Gopi Devi Dasi.
His son Jumbo is a Chatra,
So the ISKCON temple, if it's a Kshetra,
then Shiva is Chhatrapala.
then Shiva is the Kshetra Palak.
I don't know if all the temples are considered as Kshetras.
I don't know if all the temples are considered to be Kshetras.
We heard that a temple may be a Sripat,
We heard that a temple may be a Shripat,
and that within a certain radius, temple is sacred.
that within a certain radius of the temple is sacred.
And the 12 saligrams in a certain area,
12 saligrams, in a certain area there's some measurements for that.
so we could also offer respect to Lord Shiva.
So we can also offer our respect to Lord Shiva.
I don't know, most Islam temples don't have a Shiva.
I don't know whether most ISKCON temples have Lord Shiva or not.
But if they do, we'll offer respect.
If we do offer our respect
As the greatest of all the Vaishnavas,
as the greatest of all the Vaishnavas,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.